It's 10 in the morning, end of the December. Here we have cloudy skies. The weather is a bit gloomy today. And look, my lemons are ready to pick. All yellowish green, rounded and firm. It's been raining here for a week. And look at these raindrops here. The tree was getting a lot of rainwater. So I picked some here, and how I love the citrus scent. It's gorgeous. Such a pleasant weather at New Year's Eve today, almost midnight. Perfect for a cup of hot tea in the garden. And these ones I planted at the end of the summer, and look how big they are getting. Look at this. So thick and colorful. It's getting tall. Next to it, my little lay tree, my plumeria, the yellow one that I showed you in the summer. No leaves now. It will flower again in the spring. Garden is getting a lot of rain, and the tangerines are almost ready to pick. Look at that bright color there. And all this green here. My rain boots ready for this weather. My lavenders. They smell so good when you touch it. Yellow daisies. My pencil cactus here, getting taller. Look at this. Some lemons there. Purple one here, purple daisy. It's so beautiful. These are just amazing. Slowly opening my New Year's gifts here. Look what I got. A lot of macarons from France, from Paris. One from La Dorée. Let's see. This is amazing. Different flavor, it seems like. Pierre Hermé. And the chocolate ones here. And I also received a beautiful book with Paris scenery here. This is spectacular. And a little globe with Eiffel Tower. A lot of macarons to try. And the one from Pierre Hermé. Wow, so many flavors here. Looks so fresh. I can't wait to try it now. So I made a coffee and going to try my macarons from La Dorée. It has different flavors here. Going to see which one to try first. Right, look at this collection. Maybe I'll try the rose one. This is so good, so delicate. It just melts in your mouth. So going to try these new Italian chocolates today. Okay, let's see how this one looks like. Wow, so many colors here. With hazelnuts, milk chocolates, caramel. This should be good. I think this is a great spot for reading and watching the raindrops. And I also bought this charming calendar with gnomes here for the new year. It's so sweet, the pictures. Look at these ones. Has different pictures here. This is for February. January. Spring theme here. Easter. Let's check. This. To enjoy the holiday chocolates here. Belgian chocolates that my student Parnita gave me with this beautiful mug. Just trying. Another wonderful gift that I received for this new year. This is a candle lover's accessory kit. Look at this. It's wonderful. Wick trimmer, candle snuffer, and wick dipper. This is perfect for my candles. And see, for example, how you can use the candle snuffer here. You'll just put a little bell over the flame and wait until the flame goes out. This is perfect. I'm going to visit my nephews today, so preparing the gifts to give it to them. I didn't see them since Christmas and they started taking piano lessons with me. So let's see. How was your winter break? Was it good? And happy birthday to you. You are 9 now. And when we started the lessons in October, right?
Yep.
Yes. How do you like it? Good. And he's also taking guitar lessons there. Maybe he can play later on for us, right? All right. He wants to show you something here. What are you gonna play? We have such a perfect weather now. It's been raining non-stop since the last week. So I'm driving to music school to meet kids today. They are coming back to school. And I look like a winter bear here with all these warm jackets and blouses. So I'm sure kids have some interesting stories for me today. So we'll see. Prize, what's that? Okay, show me what's that. Little gift. Oh, should I open it now?
Consider this a Christmas gift.
Okay, thank you very much, Aiden. Should I open it now?
Yes.
All right, let's see what's in there. Let's see. Okay, hold this. Wow, it's a candle?
Yeah.
Wow, I like it. Look at this color. Wonderful. Does it smell? Is it fragrant? Okay, I should try. Does
It
it?
smells good.
Oh, I love it. Thank you, Aiden. Okay.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you. All right, Parnita is here and she has a news for me, right?
I'm going to Alaska.
She's going to Alaska, right?
on February 2nd. And
Yes.
she's there for 4 days.
Wow, 4 days. Are you going to miss a lesson?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
I don't know if we're gonna have a lesson at that time. I have no idea.
All right, but you're gonna have a good time, I'm sure.
I'm gonna see the model of the Northern Lights.
Wow.
Like a model Northern Lights. They won't really show the real ones in the North Pole,
Wow.
but I will see a model of them.
Yes.
That looks exactly.
I got excited too.
Happy New Year.
All right. I'm done with the lessons already and it's still raining. I had a wonderful day with kids today. Since it's been raining here for a week, I decided to come to a noodle shop here. Asian noodle shop, so I can buy some ramen noodles here. We have so many. Actually looking for those Sichuan noodles that I had in Las Vegas. I love it so much. See if I can find them. So many here, Japanese, Korean, Taiwanese. I love these ones a lot, Japanese buckwheat noodles. And they also had the Taiwanese ones, very thin. I might try this one. Look, they have the decorations for the Lunar New Year, which is January 22nd. Oh, this is cute. It's been raining here 2 days. I decided to make a hearty winter soup with mushrooms, bok choy, carrots, some Italian rice here with spices and fresh dill. I also have my fresh herbs here, fragrant bay leaves and thyme. I'm going to leave them here until the leaves start drying out, so I can use it either in soups or make some thyme tea. They are so very fragrant. And look how tall is this stalk here, with amaryllis flowers on it. 4 flowers actually here. This is so amazing. And the other one is done flowering.